Hatchbuck Marketing Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. Hatchbuck is an all-in-one marketing automation tool designed to streamline and simplify the process of managing customer relationships, nurturing leads, and automating marketing tasks. It's aimed at small to mid-sized businesses that need a user-friendly yet powerful platform to enhance their marketing efforts without the complexity of larger, enterprise-level solutions. The tool combines CRM, email marketing, lead scoring, and automation, making it an ideal choice for companies looking to improve customer engagement and drive growth. One of Hatchbuck's standout features is its intuitive interface, which makes setting up and managing marketing campaigns relatively simple, even for users with little technical experience. The CRM system is robust, allowing businesses to organize contacts, track interactions, and segment leads based on specific criteria. This segmentation allows for highly targeted email campaigns, ensuring that your messages reach the right audience at the right time. The lead scoring feature is also valuable, helping businesses identify the most promising leads by assigning them scores based on interactions, which can then trigger automated workflows. Another key feature is Hatchbuck's email marketing capabilities. The tool allows users to design and send personalized email campaigns, automate follow-ups, and track performance through detailed analytics. The email builder is straightforward, with a drag-and-drop editor that simplifies the process of creating professional-looking emails without needing to code. In addition, the analytics dashboard provides clear insights into open rates, click-through rates, and conversions, allowing businesses to refine their strategies for better results. Hatchbuck's automation workflows are easy to set up and highly customizable, enabling businesses to automate repetitive tasks such as welcome emails, lead nurturing, and customer follow-ups. The tool also integrates seamlessly with other platforms like Zapier, so you can connect Hatchbuck to your existing tech stack without any hassle. While Hatchbuck offers a lot of functionality, it does have some limitations. The reporting features, although useful, can be a bit basic for businesses with advanced analytics needs. Additionally, while the tool is designed to be user-friendly, it may take some time to fully master all of its features. Overall, Hatchbuck is a solid choice for small to medium-sized businesses looking to automate their marketing efforts. Its ease of use, robust CRM, and effective automation tools make it a reliable and cost-effective solution for improving marketing efficiency and driving growth.